we have these buttes in North Dakota. At the very, very top, which is like the tallest point in North Dakota probably, we found shark teeth in the bones, or like in the bones, in the rocks on top of these buttes. I believe the world's been flooded. I've been many times over. Actually, the area in Texas where I'm doing the property right now, it's like one of the only places in the nation that hasn't been covered in water more than twice. Like they call it Old Texas. It's like one region in where the water came in from the east and the water's come in from the west, but it's never reached this point for some reason. So like we have a lot of rocks, and they're like, that's because, you know, when you bring them ocean, it covers it with sediment, you know, builds up ground, builds up dirt again. And this is just very, very rocky area. So it's always been washed away, never put back over.